We have a core range of accessories that might be 15 to 18 accessories that can be used for multiple purposes. That's really important to us. If you have a look at some of the American websites, they'll have 200 accessories. They will have an accessory for your fishing rod. They'll have an accessory for your tennis racket. They'll have an accessory. So they'll have all these individual little gimmicky accessories. Once again, the core of what we do is about functionality. So you can store, generally if you want to store your ladder, you can do it on 4 or 5 of our different hooks, which means that if you don't have that ladder anymore, you haven't got a useless hook lying around. Probably our only single purpose hook is the bike rack, and that needs to be, as I mentioned, because of the varying nature of bikes these days. Other than that, you can use all of our accessories for multiple purposes, and that's really at the core of what we do. We're about functionality, we're not about gimmickry.